Hey everybody, my name is Kanika Tolver and I'm the author of Career Rehab. And today I want to talk about how do you build your brand and not be an employee? How do you actually build it? So you have your resume, you have your LinkedIn profile. Well, what are the other things that you can have that are bigger than your LinkedIn profile and bigger than your resume? The first thing you can do is you can have a website. So you can use a website to build your personal brand about who you are. Just like your company has built something about who they are and their services, you can build a website like I have kanikatolver.com. So I built a website about who I am and my services. You can use WordPress, you can use Medium to build a blog just to talk about your expertise and knowledge and reshare that on social media. The next thing you can do is white papers. A lot of people underestimate the power of white papers. Companies like Microsoft and like Oracle, they use white papers to market their services and their expertise about those services. So think of a white paper like a research paper, like you did in college or you did in high school. Write research papers about the things that you're knowledgeable about or the things that you're passionate about. Save it as a PDF and reshare it on social media. And people can download it directly from your website. The next thing you can do is you can do presentations. Presentations are an amazing way to get in front of a stage of people. You can use your presentations to have talks, to do workshops, to do seminars. You can also save these presentations on SlideShare. SlideShare is a website where you can upload your presentations and reshare them to so many different viewers via social media. The next thing you can do is write a book. I'm an author. Before I got a book deal, I wrote my own book using the Amazon publishing platform. So you can write a book, you can have an ebook, you can do an audio book, but you don't have to wait until you get that book deal, or you don't have to wait until somebody says you're an author. You're an author right now, and all you have to do is create an outline and build a book about what you're passionate about or about the things that are career related. And the last thing you can do is create an online portfolio. Online portfolios is like the key to sealing a deal on a job interview. When people want to see what your work looks like, you can have an online portfolio about your photography, about your videography skills, and show your videos and show your photos. If you are a developer, you can have a GitHub account and you can have a code repository where you can share your code. Whatever you have done in the past that is public facing, you can share that through an online portfolio. I hope that you feel empowered to be a brand and not an employee. And I hope that everything that you learned today in this video, you would take time maybe to do one or two of these things on this list. And I hope that you can continue to evolve your brand and continue to share it with people on social media and with hiring managers that you desire to work with to get a new job. So please subscribe to this video and please continue to support my weekly videos. And I hope you guys have a good day.